Hi, third grade. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of words in paragraph 19 in our story about the fox and the wolf. The first word that I want you guys to look at is the word down. Now notice how the letters O and W make the sound ow in the word down. The next word we're going to look at is the word out. What letters make the sound ow in the word out? Yeah, that's right. O and U. So we have two ways, here's an O and a W, of making the ow sound. O, W, and O, U. Today we are going to do a little bit more practice with these two sounds. So when you're ready, go on to the next slide.